kapag may task po na binibigay na po kaming leaders sa kanila, kailangan sila po yung mag-decide kung ano yung dapat namin kunin. And yeah, doon po kami nagbabalanse sa kung sino man yung leader na inasan ko po each task na binibigay po sa grupo.
Paano lang, anak? Paano nyo ba di-describe yung album nyo at yung grupo nyo?
Well, for me, the album is something really new to like, especially to Twinkles, and that is something that I would say na something parang ano po, unique po sa amin. Kasi our album is not the type of album na po na parang it has the same genre, something like that. But our album has so many things going on. It's like so many emotions going on, especially like Layag is like a very chill song. Aklas is like regarding yung ano po yung parang break free. On the Way is like a child, like a crush, something like that. Veronica is like a powerful song. Kaya I think that is something na I could say na very unique po sa album na Talayag po. Kaya I really hope that you guys will listen to it. Kaya yeah, abangan niyo po siya mamaya.
Yes. So yung mga songs dito ba, pampakilig, pang-bagets, paano nyo ba? At saka ilang cuts to?
Pwede pong paulit-ulit itong ano?
Yung ilang cuts yung kanta sa album at saka yung album nyo ba, pang-bagets, pampakilig, paano nyo i-describe ngayon?
Our album has 8 tracks and kagaya na nasabi ni Craig kanina na our album is unique because we're not focusing on a certain audience. Like that's why we have a ballad, we have song that speaks about your love to someone. There's also a song sa album that speaks about your parents. There's a song sa album that speaks about taking risk in life. There's also a song that speaks about self-empowerment. Parang that is intentional sa album, like it's our intention to do that kasi we wanna like share our message not just on a specific niche, on our specific audience. Like we wanna capture the hearts of different, like not just like teens but even people our ages and above. We want to spread what we want to say in our hearts. We're not saying on one lane, like we try to share the message to everyone.
Last na lang, anong wish nyong mangyari sa grupo nyo, sa career nyo? Wish nyong mangyari?
55 questions na yan.
Siguro isa lang po kami talaga ng wish na maging big ang Aster. Kahit hindi sobrang big, basta maging known lang po kami sa P-pop scene and beats sa Pilipinas kasi sobrang nag-work hard po talaga kami and sana yung wish po namin magkatotoo.
Ayun, tungkol lang po sa about wish. Kasi turo to ng kapatid ko sa akin na mas mainam na magdasal tayo. So, we always pray na maging successful po yung Aster. Mas okay na magdasal ka kasi direct kay Lord eh. So, may kasiguraduhan. So, we always pray that na maging makilala yung Aster, hindi lang po dito, pati sa buong mundo. And marinig po ng lahat po yung songs po namin at mensahe po ng songs na pinaparating po namin sa lahat.
Okay. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Congrats.
Thank you po. Thank you, Kuya Noni. Next question from Sandy.
Hi, hello, good afternoon.
Hello po.
I'm Sandy from Random Republica. So I only have one question for you guys. So can you share with us paano nabuo yung Aster?
Well, Aster was, noon po kasi, we were like, back in the days, may mga, there were like people, I mean some members like belong to the survival show of ABS-CBN called Dreammaker, and just po, there are 8 members and nagaling po doon. And then po parang ano po siya, after hindi po kami nakapagpatuloy po sa Dreammaker, after we got eliminated sadly, parang Sir Christian Kabigting reached out to each and every one of us and hoping na parang mabuo siya ng grupo. And yeah, we took that chance to like pursue our dream. And siguro po since 8 na po yung nabanggit ko po kanina, the other 4 rather. They belong to like a group, a former P-pop boy group din na parang hindi na din nakapagpatuloy po. And then parang they were looking for another chance po sa career po nila. Kaya parang they were asking around if ano po yung pwedeng parang mapasukan na ang company, and then it just happens na Asterisk was looking for more people para mabuo ng grupo. And then eventually nabuo yung grupo. We proposed of noon we were 14 but we came down to 12 because may mga family problems yung iba, and then there were like another certain problems lang din. Kaya ayun, we were trainees pa lang noon, and then eventually during nung naging trainees kami, doon naging happy po yung Zodiac and Axis po. And then, the rest is history. Wow. Ano naman? Thank you po. Now we're Aster.
Follow-up questions na lang. Sino sa inyo yung 8 na naging part ng Dreamcake?
Guys, you wanna raise your hands? Kami po yung mga 8 po.
Okay. And then yung 4 sa previews na band. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations.
Thanks, Sandy. Next question, Mikey.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Yung tanong ko is, ano sa tingin nyo ang genre na pinaka nagre-represent sa music nyo?
I think, to answer the question, I think we're Asterisk in the stage of like we're still finding our sound. Like that's why if you listen to our album Talayan, you will hear like different songs, different vibes, different genres. Because it's not just that we're testing the water. We're like testing the waters. Like we're really in this. We had just like debuted last year, and I think it's still too early for us to like claim a sound that we have. Like we're in the process, but like okay, how do we sound on this type of? How do we sound on an electronic track? How do we sound on a hip hop track? How do we sound on a dancehall or on a ballad? So that's also our way of like testing like what works with us. Soon we can find out.
With the help of our twinkles. Yes.
Thank you, Mikey. So we have a question from Liam.
Hi Aster, congratulations
Thank you so much po.
first album. I represent Opa is Life. So here are our questions. No? The album concept is about Talayan, so which combines yung tala and layag. No, how did you come up with the concept, and how did you divide the lines